What's up, YouTube? We back with another one, guys. Class will be in session today. First the lesson, then the message, okay? Listen, guys, do me a favor. If you made money today, let me know down in the comments below. Also, please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I got NVIDIA pulled up on a 15-minute time frame. This is a stock that is about to explode, but I want to show you why. Okay, here you have a few things. Okay, one, you got support down here that held up. That's first and foremost. That's a buy zone as well. All right, that held up. It also made what we call a double bottom. Okay, but more importantly, guys, write this down: cup and handle. Okay, this is a bullish move that we see here. Okay, any of my coffee drinkers are in here. Okay, this is your cup of coffee and this is your handle. Do you guys see that? This means this stock is about to go to $1,000. Okay, and so en route to 1,000, we are going to go to 950 and then 970, just so you guys know where we headed because of this pattern. Okay, I'm gonna clean this up. I want to make sure you guys see this. Okay, when you are a technical trader, I tell you the money is in the charts. Okay, this is how we make this money. Okay, also you had the crossover here to the downside. Okay, the 13 crossed the 48. Boom, it hit support like I told you. But look right here, guys, it crossed back to the upside. Boom, that made this bullish move here. This pullback tested the 13. Now we went sideways, and now this is going to start candle 1, candle 2, so on and so forth, guys, en route to 950, 970, then ultimately $1,000. Okay, but that is a cup and handle. Let me know if you guys see the cup in this. Okay, and then if you actually see the handle. Okay, it's just that simple. Basically, if you were looking at this, okay, and drawing this out. Okay, and so I want you guys to understand that this pattern means good news for this particular play. All right, with that being said, guys, check this out. I have this pulled up here for you all, and look at these diagrams, guys. More importantly, I want you guys to see the cup and handle and what it entails. Okay, and so look at this, and doesn't this look very similar? How ironic does it look to that NVIDIA chart I just showed you? Okay, and if you just take your eyes here and kind of look at the chart that I just showed you on the 15-minute time frame, this is why every day you start at the 1-day time frame, 1-hour time frame, 30-minute time frame, and then you take yourself all the way down to the 5 and 15. Okay, and then you can begin to identify these patterns that will help you knock plays out the park, so you don't have to guess and you don't have to gamble. Okay, listen, guys, I wanted to make sure I shared this technical breakout pattern with you guys so you understand there is no guessing, there is no gamble. We're surgical. We're surgical because the money is in the charts, and a lot of these chart patterns, they lead to certain moves, whether to the upside or the downside. Okay, in this particular case, the cup and handle that I illustrated for you guys on today is telling me that NVIDIA is going to 950, 970, and ultimately $1,000. Okay, we not just saying it. We not just giving a price prediction and a price target. The technicals is leading us to those numbers. And so when we set our plays up, we are coming from the perspective of this is the expected move based on this technical breakout setup. Okay, does that make sense? So that's why I want you guys to really lean into learning the chart. Trading blindly You can get lucky, but you can't replicate your success. But when you trade the way that I teach you guys to trade, you guys will limit your mistakes. You will manage your risk. You become a stop loss king or queen. That's your main focus. Always protecting and managing your capital. Okay, that keeps you in the game. And then once you layer on these other things that I show you guys each and every day, that's what breaks the game wide open. That's what helps you get off of the corporate plantation. That's what helps you close that wealth gap. And that's what helps you guys live a life of abundance. Okay, so do me a favor, guys. Make sure you are adding and incorporating the chart on your journey. Okay, you can't skip that step, but try to trade and just think you're going to make all this money. We're not making money by luck or happenstance. This is something we can come back to the table and replicate and duplicate time and time again. That's what makes it a game changer. You need to find what works for you with all these different patterns: the double top, double bottom, cup and handle, bull flag, bear flag, gap up, gap down. No matter what it is you see or that we teach you about, find the one that works best for you. And every time you see that emerge in the chart, you knock it out the park for me. Okay, with that said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into the stocks. Sticking with NVIDIA, it is sitting at $930. Just like I told you, that setup, that technical setup is leading to this. Look at this. It's already up $11 in after hours. Okay, sitting at $930.77, up 61 on the day. Okay, these moves come because of these technical setups. Okay, understand the rhyme and reason, understand the overall connection. Okay, these gonna lead to explosive moves. This is why you do the work. When this was at 840 yesterday, boom, we was backing up the Brink truck, because you want to buy shares. You want to make sure that if I own shares of this, I'm in position to take advantage of the technical breakout. Okay, and so that's why you do the work. That's why you buy low. That's why when stocks pull back in an egregious way, you look at that as blood in the streets, which simply means it's time to eat, which simply means load the boat. Okay, now as this play go back from 840 to $1,000, that's a pretty nice move in a short amount of time. Okay, but everything starts with the chart, guys. Everything starts with the work you put in. Okay, the option premiums are through the roof, and so the ask and the bid is so wide you can't really do anything. But you can always buy shares. You can always be dollar cost averaging into stocks that you know, like, and love, into stocks that has the momentum, into stocks that has the juice in this particular time period. Okay, right now that stock happened to be NVIDIA. Listen, guys, I just wanted to pour into you all on today, man. Let you guys know, keep at it. Okay, keep sharpening your tool. Keep sharpening your tool, understanding that every day you show up, every day you put one contract in, that's how you sharpen your tool. You need to see what works for you and see what don't work for you, and you need to track your results. You need to track your efforts so that you can see, yep, this led me to a win, but yep, this led me to a loss. Let me do less of this and more what led me to the win. When you begin to do that, guys, you will balance out the things that you're doing in this market. You will balance out how your trades actually go. Okay, and all of these things just lead to continued success on your journey. But it's a marathon, and that's why we take it one day at a time, one play at a time. Okay, also, you are to make money if you're around here because you are investing with a purpose. We give our money a purpose. I don't care if it's to pay off debt. I don't care if it's to pay off student loans. I don't care if it's to pay off your mortgage, your credit cards, or you can be putting the money like I do into my dividend plays. So whenever I knock a play off the park or I take a base hit, the money is going into building out STHD, VTI, any of my dividend plays. Okay, because those are just like being a real estate agent, and you got a property here, property there, and you just collecting rent from your tenants. That's how I look at dividend plays. They're just tenants. They're just my army of dollar bills that go out and make me more money. So I keep these dividend stocks because I'm going to hit a swing trade on NVIDIA. I'm going to hit Apple or Tesla or AMD out the park, whether to the up or downside. I don't care if it's a down day. I'm going to recognize, oh, they're going down today. Okay, I'm doing puts on you. I'm doing calls on you. Boom. When I make that decision, When I sell to lock in profits, I'm going through my portfolio. I'm looking. I'm saying, you know what? This one is down. Altria down today. Boom. Let me throw some money in there. Oh, Verizon, y'all want to act sleep today? Boom. I got something for you. Let me wake you up a little bit. Let me put a couple dollars in you. And I just do this every day, every year, all year, until I get the plays 1,000 shares, till I get to the plays $25,000 or to a substantial amount where these dividends are paying for my lifestyle. Luckily for everybody, I live a humble, frugal lifestyle. So there's no extravagant bling you gonna see, guys. It's just gonna be building my empire out, building more assets that's gonna keep me wealthy for years to come. Okay, so guys, stay grounded, stay anchored in humility, but keep showing up, putting in the work, man. The losses are going to be your best teacher, but you got to track them. You have to know why you won, but more importantly, you have to know how you lost. Your $1 million is in the losses. Okay, that's where the lessons lie. And when you understand that, you're going to modify your behavior, which is going to modify and alter your success. Okay, listen guys, I won't hold you up today. Just want to put that on you. Hopefully you had a good day in the market. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.